Guys Ghouls. It's Monster Goal 0-3, and I'm so excited to have my very first Frankie Stein, and I'm going to unbox it today. So I'm so pretty excited with this. So let's gonna do this real quick. So here's her box. So it's a classroom edition Monster High doll. So they are 3. So that's Laguna Blue. And that is Goya Yelps. And this is Frankie Stein. So they are just 3. I think Meta will not add more of these things. I think they are gonna skip on 3. So I'm going to open the sides. So I'm so not good at opening some boxes. So yeah, maybe I'll achieve it this time. I'm not so sure. So, oh, I just chipped off the box. Well, never mind. That's what's inside. So it has tapes here. Let's get the tapes off the side. Can't open it too much. Okay, so I'm going to open this part. So just gonna take off the stickers so slowly, for not to damage the main box of this thing. So wait, I'm having a hard time opening this one. Okay, so I've opened the bottom parts and the side parts. So I'm sorry for the unusual video. So yeah, I just opened it and cracked it. And that's what's inside the box of Frankie Stein. Now we're gonna open her. Just like what I did. So let's deal with the back part. So I'm gonna cut this off. But you don't have to cut me off. Sorry for my voice. Just remember somebody that I used to know. I can now hear the box singing. Well, I have a real poor voice, so yeah, just skip that part. So I cannot redo this again. I have to buy a new doll if I wanted to redo this video again. So I'm such in a hurry because it's been, it's gonna be only like I think 5 minutes or so. Yeah, 5 minutes. So let's do it. Oop, be careful. Be careful with the homemade survival guide and use it. Okay, there. So here's the survival guide. Okay, now let's go to the other sides. So we take on the stand. So the stand really looks cool. Yeah, so watch out for the review of this doll sooner or later. Might find out this maybe sooner or later. Yeah, it's like I told you. Now let's go on this part. Let's take off parts on the parts of the parts in the parts. I'm doing really carefully here. It's so hard to deal with packages, because if you get lost in some kind of thing, you're gonna get down. Sorry for the random things I'm saying right now, because I feel like I'm going crazy, like actually. So I'm like speeding up and opening the box so easily again. Okay, so we've got our second Monster High locker here. I'm gonna fix that later. So here's the stickers, free. So we have the 4 minutes and 10 seconds. So here's the pen. We're gonna set this aside. Sewing, and the diary, survival guide. So we've got a new brush on its way now. So I lost my brush. So yeah, so we're at the part of the doll, so this is very fragile. So we needed to do it quickly and so fragile. Oh, so fragile. Oh, so fragile doll. Now, I think it's her hair part. So this is the fragile part too. I don't want to cut her cute hair here. I have a lot of mercy with the hair. Oh my god, I think I can do it without the help of my father. It's my very first time to do this so quickly enough to post it on YouTube. That's the main problem with this. Ooh, I got it, I think so. I got it. Oh wait. Okay. Okay, so just call me, and they're so absolutely noisy. Ugh, hate it. Now here comes the part. Well, we have a lot of 6 minutes in tactic times. Okay, we're finally done with Frankie Stein. Now let's take her off. Now, let's brush her hair straight down, forward, straight forward, not curly, but I bet it's all a bit curly. So this is Frankie Stein on a quick, very real quick opening of her box. So I finally have my Frankie Stein for the very first time. Yay! So happy. So thanks for watching this soft speed video. Bye, and thanks for watching again. See you, and please subscribe, rate, comment, and visit my channel. Okay. Bye.